Hello everyone and welcome to Recipes You Like. In this video, we will make a very easy and simple snack recipe, ingredients for which are always available in our kitchen. These snack sticks are not only visibly tempting but are actually very tasty. So let's begin the preparation. For these kurkure crispy sticks, we will take half cup of poha rice flakes and drop them into a mixer grinder to make it into a fine powder or a flour like this. Have a look on the texture and let's move on. Transfer the ground rice flakes into a bowl. Let's keep this aside for a while and take a mixing bowl. In this, add one big boiled potato. Mash it using a spoon or a fork, or you can even do this using your hand. Then add about 80 grams of cottage cheese paneer. Paneer has already been mashed. You can even make this recipe, this snack, without using paneer. We already had some leftover paneer with us, so we added it. Now combining both of these together, we will again give it a mash. Then add salt and few spices, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of chaat masala, half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon or as per your taste green chili paste, and 1 tablespoon of finely chopped coriander. Mix, mash and combine all the ingredients properly together in the bowl. There shouldn't be any lumps. Our mix is ready. Now to give this a binding, we will add the made poha flour, rice flakes flour. Don't add too much of it or whole of it at once. We will add little at a time as much it's required to give it a binding. Gradually we added whole of the half cup of rice flakes flour. If you find this made dough a little dry, you can sprinkle few drops of water over it to make it moist. We will now keep this covered to rest for about half an hour. After half an hour, you will find the dough soft and pliable. Take a small portion of it and knead it in your hand to make it more soft just for a minute. Then roll this portion over your kitchen counter or your chopping board like this to make about 4-inch long stick. Roll it using a light pressure and don't make the stick too fat, too thick or too thin. It's not necessary that you make these into a stick form. You can make these into any form or shape as you like or feel easy to manage. Actually, making these snacks into this finger stick form just makes them look more attractive and presentable. And as they are made in a stick form, they come out to be more crispy. We'll take first made stick as a guide and make rest of the sticks. Now all of them are ready, equal in size. We had already kept oil to heat. Let's drop these poha sticks in the hot oil to fry. To make them turn out to be crispy and crunchy, fry them over low to medium heat. With a light hand, roll them upside down so that they get fried all over. When crispy and crunchy, strain out over a paper towel. Fry all of the poha sticks or the poha fingers in the same way. Serve them with tomato ketchup or green chutney. You will definitely love them. If you like the recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe, hitting the bell icon till we meet again with another interesting recipe. Keep healthy. Bye bye.